does the moon wax and wane?
Quacky has made a new friend recently. Connect them in order to see who Quacky's new friend is. It is the moon. It's round and bright, hanging in the sky.
Moon, moon, who is the smartest duckling in the world?
Although the moon can't speak, it always keeps Quacky company in silence. A few days later, Quacky comes to look for the moon again.
Moon, moon, here I come.
Tap to find the moon. A strange thing happened. The round moon is gone. There's only a curved object, like a banana.
My moon is round and chubby. This is not my moon. This isn't my moon.
Suddenly, Quacky finds some footprints on the ground. Whose footprints are they?
I know. These are the footprints of a thief. Someone stole the moon. Hey!
Quacky is following the footprints. The puppy is holding a round thing. What is he doing?
Puppy, did you bite my round moon and make it curved? I didn't eat the moon. The moon is still up there. My moon is round, and the one in the sky isn't mine. Don't worry, it will become round again in a few days.
Is what the puppy said true? Quacky decides to ask Kiki.
Kiki, why does the moon sometimes appear round and sometimes appear curved? Quacky, we'll find out through an experiment. First, let's make a moon using a balloon. Leave it to me. Cover the balloon with tissue paper to create the outer shell of the moon. There are still places not covered by tissue paper. Both sides need to be covered with tissue paper. There are still places not covered by tissue paper. I'll make some decorations. The moon is complete. Hey. Ah, Kiki, why do you turn off the light? I can't see the moon. This is what the universe looks like. It's pitch dark. The moon doesn't have its own light, so we can't see it. Turn on the desk lamp. The moon! I see it again! That's right! The lamp is shining like the sun. The sunlight shines on the moon, and that's how we can see it. So that's how it is. But where is my round moon? Be patient. It will appear soon. Hold the moon up when it faces the light. I only see a dark moon. There's nothing bright. Try to move the moon. As the moon moves in one direction, the bright part becomes larger. Wow! The round moon has appeared. Let's try moving it again. The bright area is getting smaller, and the moon is becoming curved. Once it finishes moving in a circle, the moon becomes dark again. That's right. The moon moves around the Earth. We see different shapes of the moon depending on its position. I finally got it! Let me test you. Why can't we see the moon? A, because the moon shines on its own. B, because the moon reflects sunlight. Correct answer. The moon doesn't have its own light, and we can only see it when sunlight shines on it. You're right. Why does the moon sometimes appear round and sometimes appear curved? A, because the moon moves around the Earth. B, because the moon sometimes gets very full and sometimes gets hungry. Correct answer. We see different shapes of the moon depending on its position. That's right. Awesome. Quack, 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 quack. The moon, the round moon is back. I didn't lie, did I? Have you noticed? When you look at the moon from the Earth, the shape of the moon changes every day. Look, this is the moon phases diagram. We can record it in a fun way. A delicious and fun cookie moon phases diagram. All we need are some sandwich cookies and a piece of paper, and we're ready to go. Let's make it together. Twist the cookie. Leave half of the cookie with filling. Look, it's a waxing crescent moon. Leave it to me. Ta-da! It's a crescent moon cookie. Next piece, the first quarter moon. It's your turn. Done with the semicircular first quarter moon. Waxing gibbous moon. The bulging moon looks like a lemon. Full moon. The full moon is round, and the round sandwich cookie is just right. Waning gibbous moon. Waning gibbous moon cookie. Last quarter moon. The semicircular last quarter moon looks like a hat. Curved waning crescent moon. The curved waning crescent moon looks like an eyebrow. New moon. The new moon is complete. That's right. A cookie without a filling is like a new moon. We are done with the cookie moon phases diagram. Good job, kid. Look, the moon always gets bigger from a new moon to a full moon, and becomes smaller from a full moon to a new moon. This is the law of the phases of the moon. Now do you understand? We only need 8 sandwich cookies and a finished moon phases diagram. Then we can make a cookie moon phases diagram. Make it with your mom and dad. Brave little moon explorers! Let's fly the spaceship together to explore the mysterious moon. Try again. Try pushing the joystick forward. Wow, it's getting fast. Pull back and you'll slow down. Tap on the landmark Copernicus crater. There is a speculation that it was formed due to meteorite impacts, and there are many such craters on the moon. Tranquility Base. Astronauts left the first human footprints on the moon here. Let's go check it out. The first footprint. I have to find it and take a picture of it. Tap the button and move the frame to find the footprint. Here it is, the big footprint. The footprint left on the moon can be preserved for many years. Newton Crater. This crater is over 7,000 meters deep. How did such a deep crater form? Tianhua Base. The lunar rover U-22 took pictures of the moon here. U-22? I want to find it.